And welcome to our channel. Today's video we're going to be talking about small laundry design. Many of you probably have this situation where the laundry is kind of on the side entrance of the house, and this is exactly what we have right here. One of the doors is on the left is the exit to the backyard, and the door is opening up, and then this is an option for the client to open inside or outside. So I think that we are going to be opening this outside. This is the exterior door that they changed, and now because of washer and dryer being so big, they're not sure if they did the right thing by opening it inside the house, and they thought it would be a more better idea to open outside. However, according to Toronto laws and Mississauga laws, the exterior door has to open inside. Why is that? Toronto and the area Canada has quite a bit of snow, and for example, if we get a big snowfall and there's a lot of snow outside and there's a fire in the house and all the doors are locked and this is the closest door where you need to escape, you have to exit. So if there's a lot of snow and your door opens outside, guess what? You're stuck in the house, and it's a big problem. So that's why the doors open inside, the snow will fall in and you're able to escape. So the door is already fixed, it's there. Now we have this layout to work with, and this is what we need to do. The client, one of the options to make it work is to use apartment style washer and dryer. However, they are very shallow. They're not as deep, but obviously they have less capacity. So if you have if you're used to using the regular standard 27-inch by 36-inch deep washer and dryer, you're going to be running out of space. It's going to be tight. It's doable, it's possible. A lot of apartments, all the apartments have it, but it's not comfortable. So if you have a bigger house and you want to have bigger appliances, you have to become creative. And this is what we're going to be doing. This is our space. In the corner, the clients have the plumbing. They have washer and dryer, and if anyway we move them, we have the plumbing already located, which is on the right side, and there's a door. Now on the left side we have another door opening inside, so this door needs the clearance, so we're left with very little space. So what I came up with is making stackable units and putting them kind of in the middle and having it work like that. So this is what we end up getting. So this is one of the options, and with the small space. So I just checked the clearance. This door will be fine. It will be passing the panel with a bit of clearance, so there's no problem with that. We also have to remember that the washer and dryer is 32, so this gable is 32 inches deep, but the glass of the washer is still sticking out. So all of that has to be taken into consideration. That's why you gotta review your specifications and make sure that everything works. On the right side, this could be a laundry sink, 27-inch cabinets, then a 12-inch banquet drawers for your little things that you want to have in the laundry, and you can't just keep it on the shelf. Drawers are very useful because laundry, you have stuff out of the pockets that you can put, and the change and the little things that you need to store. And you have a bit of counter space. So the way also I thought about this is when you come into the laundry, you have your dirty clothes basket that you can put right beside the sink, and you have enough landing from the panel to the faucet. You also separate the sink from the panel because when you're in the laundry, you want to be able to have room and move, and you don't want water to be splashing on the panel. I raised the upper cabinet here for enough to put a rod, and you're supposed to have enough for short hang clothes. So if you have your sweaters and stuff that doesn't go into the dryer, you need it to kind of hang and let the water drip. This is a perfect scenario, very popular in a lot of designs. On top of the washer and dryer, very deep cabinet, a lot of storage, so you can put baskets, you can put things that you don't use as often. It's hard to get, but it's there. And then on the left side, we have a cabinet with a little bit of countertop. So let's say if you're doing your laundry, from dirty clothes on the right, you put it in the washer. Then the clean clothes, you put it in a basket on the left. This could be also drawers as well if you need more drawers, or it could be cabinet with a couple of shelves. And then if you're using the side door as your mud room for your kids and stuff, this could be where they put their shoes, where they put their backpack, and stuff like that. This is also could be a pantry, but again, when you're coming into the space and you have a big pantry, it also feels a little bit of a claustrophobic environment, and you know, very tight. So I think having the countertop, it just gives you that little bit of more openness to the space. Even though it is a small space and it is, you know, very bulky, this pantry is sticking out a lot, and there's not much you can do. We could also maneuver this and move the washer and dryer to the left, and move the cabinets to the left, move it to the right. But then the gable is going to be right against the sink, and it's going to be a little bit tight for washing stuff inside the sink. And I think this is a kind of an ideal design. We can also split this in half and just have a bigger sink cabinet, shift the sink to the right a little bit, and then make a bigger opening. So this is totally up to you. You have to look at your scenario, how big are your baskets, how are you using your laundry now, and things like that. So yeah, this is just one of the ideas. It's very common scenario in the washer and dryer. And it's possible to put the big regular washer and dryer. However, if you want this laundry to be more open space and more clean line, then of course my recommendation is to use regular apartment style washer and dryer, and just put them have the countertop run right across, and then put a washer dryer right underneath over here. So yeah, good luck with your designing. If you're stuck and you can't figure it out, give us a call and we'll give you a hint. And I hope you got some useful information for your laundry design. Have an awesome day. Bye.